What's good? Whoa, my hair. What's good? What's good? Oh man. And good morning from Canada. Hope you're doing well. Whatever. Yeah, hope you're well. We're gonna go over Polygon, guys. We're down 24% on the week, and on the 1 day we are down 16%, sitting at $1.32. So we're gonna go over the technical analysis for both Polygon and the Master Energy Ethereum. All right, guys. So $7.41 billion market cap, and the 24-hour volume sitting at 3.52 billion. So let's hop into it, guys. So we can see here, we're here on the 1 hour chart, that we're continuing to find resistance along the 20 EMA and creating higher highs and higher lows. You have your high here. What the hell is that? You have your lower high, and if this were to be a high, then you would have a lower high once again. All right, guys. So the only way that we're going to see a reversal is if we start coming back above the 20 EMA here and the 55 on the hourly. But you can see we hit it as resistance again. If we do continue to roll over, we have this level on the Fibonacci at the $1.18 mark, and then we do have a strong level of support right here. Well, let's get down here a bit. Strong level support in this area, previous level of resistance down at the negative 2.7 on the Fibonacci, which is at about $1. If we were to continue to roll and Ethereum continues to correct and we continue to hit resistance along the EMAs, those are the prices that we would come down to. Now, if we were to come back above the EMAs, it's not looking that way currently, but if we were to see that, if we were to start creating higher highs and higher lows and come back above the EMAs, we have these price targets here back at $1.62. You can see previous level of resistance, and then we could come up here to $1.73, which is the golden ratio, which we can see here was a previous level of resistance. So that would be a key level if we were to trend back upwards, but we seem to be hitting our head and continuing down to the downside here on the hourly chart for Matic. So let's put it onto the 4 hour. Yeah, so we're here on the 4 hour chart, guys, and you can see we're almost forming the bearish cross where the yellow line, the 20 EMA, comes underneath the 55. That's bearish, guys. That shows continuation down to the downside. So we would need to see some major buying pressure to avoid the bearish cross on the 4 hour chart. Because if we do see that, it's a signal that will continue to trend downwards here for Matic. So let's pull it open onto the 1 day. So on the 1 day, we're holding support here along the 20 EMA, this yellow line. So it would be crucial for us to hold that. You can see we're trying to at $1.33, because we do break that, we come down to about $1.19. But good to see a little bit of support there along the 20 EMA. So let's put it up on the weekly, because I know Polygon was overextended. As I have been talking about when we were pumping, it was a lot of fun and, you know, it was exciting, but we were overextended. And you can see here, guys, even if we were to come down to that $1, we're not even down to the 20 EMA yet. So if we were to drop further down to a previous swing high, let's put it back onto the 1 day and look for our previous swing high here. So we do have this level here, which was a previous swing high. If we were to break underneath $1, we could come down to about that 90-cent range. Now, if it does continue to roll over, if we do continue to correct, guys, remember that it's healthy to come back to the 20 EMA, because when we're overextended, you're going to roll over, and the harder the pump, the steeper the correction. All right, guys. So we'll put it onto Ethereum, and then we'll come back to do some short-term price predictions here for Polygon. All right, guys. So we're here on the chart for Ethereum on the 1 hour, and you can see we've created a double bottom, which is a signal of a reversal, guys, but we would have to break above our neckline, and you can see we're hitting resistance on the neckline and we're rolling over a little bit. So if we wanted to see some continuation, we can see we had a pretty strong bottom here. We'd have to come back above the EMAs here for Ethereum as well, because if we keep hitting resistance and we continue to roll, then we'll come down here to about 2162. So you can see here on the 4 hour chart, if we were to come down, guys, we have all that support, previous level support, previous level of resistance. So that would be a pretty strong support level at 2162. However, guys, if we were to break that and continue to trend downwards, we do have a previous level of support right here, and that price target is 1976, guys. So if we lose this swing high, what happens when you lose a swing high is you find support on the swing low, right, guys, which would be at about 1976 for Ethereum. We can see we've had the bearish cross on the 4 hour over the 200 EMA as well. So let's put Ethereum onto the daily. So we're here on the daily chart for Ethereum, and we can see here, so we're here on the daily chart for Ethereum, and if we were to trend back upwards, guys, we do have this previous swing high, which is at, let's give it a little price target here, about 25.46. So if we were to trend back upwards, we are in a bit of a downtrend right now, but if we were to trend back upwards, our price target would be here at 25.46, and if we were able to break through that, then we could head back up here to 28.23. I always want to give you guys both the bearish and the bullish scenario, because both can take place, but there's percentages and there's ways to look at which is more likely to happen. All right, guys, so we can see here on the weekly for Ethereum, we're coming back to find support along the 20 EMA, which is healthy, guys. You can see it right here, overextended. We come back, find support on the 20 EMA. So if we do come down to that, let me get this out of the way. If we come down to that 21.62, the candlestick would find support right along the 20 EMA, which would be a healthy sign, and we would love to see it keep that support before we see more of an uptrend. But if we were to correct further, we have that 19.51 support level. So let's head back into Matic and give some short-term price predictions here. So we're back here on the 1 hour chart for Matic, and if we continue to hit resistance, guys, and roll over, we have that support here at about $1.19 and that strong level of support down at about $1. Now, if we were, I think it's a little bit more unlikely right now since we keep hitting resistance along the EMAs, but if we were to get back above the EMAs, if Ethereum started correcting, we come back above the 20 and we come up, oh my God, why Jackson's always so ugly, bro? We're to come back above the 20 EMA and turn it into support. We do have that key level of resistance right here, the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, which would be at $1.61, where we'd most likely hit some resistance. And then if we were to continue to trend back upwards, we could come up here to $1.74. However, guys, it does look like we're going to continue to roll over as of right now. If you do see us break back above the 20 EMA, that would be a signal. If we were able to turn it into support and start trending back upwards and came back above the 55, that would be confirmation that we would trend back upwards. However, if we do roll over, which I think is more likely right now, remember, guys, just a prediction, it's not financial advice, then we have that $1.19, and then we could come down all the way to $1, which was previous level of support, as you can see here. All right, guys, so that's it for Matic. Always remember to zoom out and look at the weekly, the most important thing, not the 1 month. Come on, Jax, what the hell? You want to look at the weekly chart, and you can see we're overextended, and we do need to have a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of reversal, find support, and allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on Polygon, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.